Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top of the screen in the right side corner and click on your profile, which is the second option. At this page you are ready to edit your profile by clicking on this edit profile button. So you can edit your name and add a photo of yourself. And then you can also write something about yourself. So if you are done with all these steps, click the button save. Here, as you can see, you can have a look at the reviews that you have given to other people, and you can also tell others about yourself here at this page. If you tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner, you can see the users that you have blocked. You will be directed to a page where you can check these people, and you can even undo this block. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.